kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you guys, I'm going to be showing you just a quick video of the sitting area of our game room. We did some changes, and the changes that we've done here are temporary. We have a vision of what we want to do to the entire game room. So it's going to take us a little time to be able to get all of the items that we want to get for the game room. But for the meantime, the sitting area of the game room, I changed it into black and white decor. As you can see here, I'm showing you this beautiful wicker basket with the lid, showing you some black and white patterns. And y'all know I will mix patterns up in a minute as long as I know that they are working cohesively together. So what I have done here, I feel like that it looks really nice, look comfy and cozy, and I hope you guys think so too. Also, I want to thank you all for 10K subscribers, and I'm so grateful to you guys, because of course you all know that I cannot do this without you all. So we have made it to 10K, you all, and I'm very appreciative. And I put a poll out a while back, and I got 100% feedback that for the 10K celebration, everyone wants a live. So that's what we will be doing. We will be doing a live. I don't have the date as of right now because I will be going out of town for a little while. So once I get back and get settled, then we will schedule the live. Just make sure you have your notification bells on, and make sure you're paying close attention to the community tab. And also too, something else that is happening this week, which is going to be a collaboration with myself, Design with Emma, and Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. We're going to be doing a fruitless collaboration. So you guys, on the 10th, July the 10th, so you guys make sure you mark your calendars, put your notifications on, put a reminder in your phone, because you don't want to miss this. This is a great treat that we're going to be sharing with you guys, and hopefully you all can take something away from each one of our videos. So if this is your first time here, welcome. I so appreciate you for clicking on this video, and I am Lisa, and I pray that you enjoyed the content. And if you enjoyed enough, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave some sweet loving and kind comments down below. And if you're returning, welcome back. I so appreciate your continued support. So you all, without further ado, let's go ahead and see what I have created here in the sitting room of the game room. So right here I have a tic-tac-toe board. And then over here, we have that Connect 4, Connect 6, whatever you call that game. It is so fun, you guys. Everyone loves playing that game. So also over here on this side, we added a green tree here. It's very full. I've had it for some years here. And then I just added some of the green grass in it, or should I say a little bit of mulch, and then that is the black and white container that it is in, and I think it looks really nice there. And then we have the TV there along with the TV stand, and we added a few decor pieces, kept it kind of, you know, simple, because I did mix patterns in this space, so I wanted to keep this part simple. And then we have the TV stand, and it does have 2 doors because it does have storage in there, but it's empty. We don't have anything there. And then we have just this little trio of a candelabra down there, and we keep the remotes right there. And then there's like the cable box and the Roku stick, and that is what it is looking like right there. Like I said, just kept it simple. And that's what it is looking like. So now let's move over to the seating area. So I'm coming back to the basket, and I like to add a basket with pillows and throw blankets in it for the simple fact of, you know, when you're watching TV, especially in the summertime, we have the air blasting, and if you get cold, and if you're cold natured like me, you're gonna want to wrap up or cover up with a blanket. So that's why I have this basket here, and I just think that it's just an added bonus to the area to give it a little bit more character. So I do have the stripe, the black and white stripe pillows here, and then I have the check black and white blanket, throw blanket, and then I have the solid white blanket. So I have a little bit of both worlds. So here I do have a chair here, just a single chair, and then I just styled it a little bit with a black throw here. Very comfy single chair, and it is like a light gray color. And then I added the black plush rug, and we're going with this wooden round table, and we have our drink coasters there along with a black tray, and I just added the candle. I just left it simple, just simple, nothing major here. And then the legs on this table is black too, as you can see. And then this table is old. I've had it for some time as well too. And then we just added this furniture here, which is a gray couch. It's actually a sofa bed is what this is, so you can let this out. And then I added the black throw as I have right here. And then I have the solid black plush pillows, very soft. And then I have the black and white pattern pillows as well too. And I think that looks really, really nice against the black carpet here. And then we do have an end table. I just added one round end table, and as you guys can see, I am going with the round pieces because we have the round end table here, we have the round coffee table there, and then we have the round basket as well too. And then over here we have the round tray, and then we have a round tray here too. So this is our end table that we're using, that's trimmed in gold. You guys have been following me for some time. You have seen this in numerous places of the home. And so there's just a simple decorating going on here with the gold keys, a styling book, along with the decor piece, and a floral arrangement with greenery. So that's what we're looking like there. And so behind this couch here, this sofa bed, we have a stand here, and this is where we house all of the games that we utilize up here. And then we have two storage cabinets as well as open storage as well there too. And then I just have a bowl here with some card games there, which I have some more. I just need to pull them out, but that's what it's looking like. This is what the space is looking like, if you guys can see. And then if I turn over here, we have a nice little sitting area right here with the bench, and I decorated with the black solid soft textured pillows along with a black and white stripe pillow. And I think it's just a little cozy little spot there as you come up the stairs. And then I just added a mirror there. So there is another area to the game room up here where we have we've added a refrigerator up here. So we are going to do a video whereas we are filling the refrigerator up And then we're just going to spruce that space up. There's really not a whole lot to do, but just clean the area and just add some snacks and some drinks over there. So we'll be doing that in a separate video. But I like this little area. I think it's just so cozy there. I just like it. It has this bench has the wrought iron legs on it. And I've had this for several years too. And it's a little heavy too. So it's very, very sturdy. It'll last a long time. I should have thrown a throw over here too. I may go back and do that for now. But for now, I'm just going to let it stay like that with the mirror because I don't want it to be too crowded. And then if I turn, I'll go back over here to the sitting area. So that's what we have now. If we want to come up here and play some games or watch the game, we could do that up here in this area because we have it. And like I said, this is temporary. It won't be like this for always, but for now it's just temporary sitting area for games and such. And yeah, you guys, that is the sitting area of the game room. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video because it was very short. I also hope that you're able to take something away from this video that you're able to use in your home as well too. But I just like the pattern of these pillows. And as you can see, the pattern on these pillows here, and then I have the striped ones right there. It doesn't clash at all. It doesn't even clash with the check black and white that I have. Everything just looks really, really nice together, and it works. So yeah, that's what it is looking like. And please, if you enjoyed this video, again, please don't hesitate to give this video a big thumbs up and leave us some sweet, loving, kind comments down below. And also too, I'm going to be touching up the home theater room as well too. I'm going to be refreshing that, giving it like a little bit of a makeover as well. I'm just trying to do one space at a time. Sometimes I be all over the place, but yeah, you guys, that's what we're doing here. This is the sitting area of our game room for the time being. It's just a small little cozy space that God has blessed us with, and we are going to enjoy it. I'm stepping back over here where the wet bar is. Okay, love bugs, I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
We at home with Lisa.